Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add a Spotify music to an Instagram story with sound. This is actually quite simple. What we'll need to use is our Spotify application. We will have to open our Spotify. First of all, that's the first step. We'll have to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Let's say that in this case we already have an account, so let's go to the home section. And here, as you can see, we have several options, which naturally prefer to music. So let's say I want to play this song by Ro Alejandro called Algo Mágico, and let's tap on it. And we will see the following. As you can see, in this case, we have the video clip playing. And well, we also have the song playing. But in my case, I'm not playing the audio, so it doesn't interfere with the recording. What we need to do in order for us to upload or add this song to an Instagram story with sound, all we need to do is tap on this little button down here at the bottom right side. Let's tap here at the and this whole menu opens up. As you can see, the people you have added on Spotify will appear here, and the option we care about is this one right here, the stories option. So let's tap on stories and let's tap open Instagram. Something like this will appear. In this case, the music is already playing here, except that I'm keeping it muted so it doesn't affect the recording. And simply by selecting that option to share to an Instagram story, our Instagram app will open automatically and take us directly to the story section. Here we can post it to our story or to your close friends. Then simply tap publish so everyone following you on Instagram can enjoy the music you're listening to on Spotify.